In today's video, I'll teach you how to change location in Zalora app. First of all, launch open Zalora application. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the location, first of all, what you have to do is simply go to the specific product that you would like to purchase. Simply tap on that product. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the product page. In this page, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the section for deliver to. Right over here, you'll be able to see the location that is currently selected. So if you want to change it, tap on the change option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select a location. You'll be able to see the saved addresses over here. You can simply tap on the address that you would like to select, or you can also simply change the postcode. After you do that, tap on this option, get details, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the location will be changed. So that is how you change location in Zalora app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.